Hey guys, welcome back. So I have a hack today for the old school Rainbow D4, D4SE owners. Okay, so if your Rainbow froze up on you, all right, you plug it in, you turn it on, and it goes zoop, and it kind of stops, and you could tell the motor's straining. There's no action happening, and you just put it away. I have a solution, but I also have a hack until the solution comes through. Okay, stick around. All right, guys. So this here is the rainbow. This is inside the well. After you remove the tank, most rainbow owners know the deal. All right, and so now you have your little filter here, your separator. All right, and everything is right, like good to go. Okay. All right, so let's get started. I already unplugged it. Okay, let's take this guy off. I think I may want to use a what do you call it? Let's see. Where's my vice grips? All right. So now we took this off, okay? So let me tell you what's going on here. Um, Now that it's off, I'm gonna turn it on and you're gonna watch this spin. You're gonna watch for this, okay? Okay, see that? It's working, right? It's working. So the problem is, guys, you're gonna have to end up getting a new one of these, okay? All right. And on the inside, you may not be able to see it, but where the nuts would go, start to wear. Okay. It looks like it's intact, but really it has enough slippage to allow this to slip. So instead of being totally in sync, if you notice there's a delay. Look at this here. Okay. I'm gonna turn like this. It's turning and then it catches. And then do it again. I'm turning back and then it catches. Okay. So it got worn to a point where it can't turn with this nut here because it's the same shape as this. Okay. So you have to get a new one. Now, what you can do is this. All right. You can raise this nut up. First, place an order, get one of these. If it's not available anymore, then you're going to have to get creative. Okay. And that's where I come in. All right. So let's remove this guy. Okay. Let's remove this guy. Hopefully we don't have too much trouble with that because it just got jammed in there. I should just get like a nut thing here. All right, guys. So this is what you're gonna do. We're gonna take this off. Okay. Then we're gonna get a washer and put a washer on here. And then we're gonna put it back. Okay. And what we just did is we gave this a raise it up a little bit. Okay. Now that will be enough for this to fit even firmer into the cavity. So now when we do this, okay, and we plug it in, and then we turn it on, We got to win. So give that a try, okay? All right. It's a little hack. It's a little work, right? It's a little work to get it done. But if you can get a replacement separator, I believe it's called a separator. Let me see something. Yep, it's called a separator. If you can get a replacement separator and that, you know what, let me give you that part number. I should have put it on the screen already, but it's REX dash R4 100. Okay, so it can just be R4 100 or REX dash R4 100. Okay, so that's the separator that you can get. But if you can't get it, if it's not being manufactured anymore, uh, that solution would fix the problem for you. Okay, all right, don't forget to subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys later. Thanks. Bye.
Yes!